This message was requested by the San Andreas government. A creature is on the loose. So far it has infected almost 10 citizens. Do not panic. It will make the situation worse. A creature cannot be identified at this time. More details will follow.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Kate Miller, and today we got breaking news in San Andreas. The Grove Street 4 live host and the gang was mysteriously brought back to life. And the 4 citizens are Carl Johnson, Big Smoke, Ryder, and Sweet. Now currently teamed up with the police, military, vehicles, FIB, IAANOOSE and Dallas, with 5 more citizens to team up with them, which are Franklin Clinton, Michael DeSantis, Trevor Phillips, Dave Norton, and lastly, an honoring officer, dead in 2004, now currently coming back alive, Officer Tenpenny, to fight the creature. And wait, the country guns and the new captain is among us. Yellow Fanbase and Jawsine, the EAS and Country Balls guy are coming to team up with police, vehicles, military, FIBNOOSE, IAA Dallas. And the new members of the country guns are Tony Liner, Jeremy Edith, Bandu, Expunged, Bambam, Dave, Bambi, Tristan, Bandu Jr., Lucy, Joseph Hess, Clinton Edwards, Clifton Madison, and Don Leviett. There's more. Samuel England, Jared Golden, Anthony Miller, Joseph Goes, Chris Afton, Michael Afton, Elizabeth Afton, William Afton, Charlie Emily, Henry Emily, Daniel Westbrook, President Santos, Yazin Ngauttp Keith, Steve, TCF Print Fan, Joseph Winstead, Cassidy, Gabriel, Jeremy, Susie, Fritz, Gregory, Madison Edwards, Steve Scotia, Mike Yankton, Wilford, Henry Stickman, Tony Montana, Cassie, and Gary Edison. That's for today's news. This is Kate Miller signing off.
This message was requested by the San Andreas government. All citizens in Sandy Shores, get in shelter immediately. Lock your doors quickly. If you're in the car, drive away as soon as possible. We have information on this creature. It's called the Darkness from the show named Come and Learn with Piggy. Piggy is a fictional character from Cartoon Network. And about the darkness. It has glitch particles, can make you infected and trap you in the black goo, getting corrupted with memory loss. All programming have been suspended due to the darkness. And a new creature that looks like expunged, but it's in black and white with white blank eyes and a permanent happy mouth that can make you do things that you cannot do. Like it has gotten many panic and affected people like Neil, the same hallucinations within a different story called The Story of the Darkness. And it will hit North Yankton within a few minutes. But the good news is there is more Country Guns members that are Neil, Haja, Paul, Michael, Mark, and lastly John. Stay tuned for more information.
This message was requested by the North Yankton government. The darkness coming from San Andreas and around the world has hit Ludendorff. And the new creature is affecting all Canadians and Americans with hallucinations that affected San Andreas and the entire world and getting them corrupted. Please stand by for more information. This message will now translate to French.
This message is demand par le government de North Yankton. Les ténèbres venant du San Andreas et autour du monde en frat Ludendorff. Et une nouvelle creature affecte tous les Canadiens et les Américains avec les huiles qui ont affecté San Andreas et le monde entier et les corrompus. View education pour plus the informations.
This message was suggested by the San Andreas government. This is a quick update of our situation. The darkness has grown stronger and gaining more people by the consuming them. And currently right now we will switch to the president of San Andreas. Please stand by for the hearing.
Hello citizens. This is the President speaking. Since we're in a very big situation, the darkness has grown stronger and gaining more people by consuming them, causing the corrupted to infect them by or getting them in mind. Everyone must take precaution during this event. All citizens must get in shelter and protect your family at all costs. If they feel strange, get them to the hospital near Los Santos, Mount Sinai, Rockford Hills, Sandy Shores. Well, Sandy Shores is no longer safe, because the darkness has corrupted Sandy Shores, Grapeseed, Palito Bay, Mount Gordo, and Mount Chilled. If any corrupted people break in your house or come out of the television, use any illegal weapon, if you bite them, and may God bless the United States of America.
That was the message from the president. And protect your family at all costs, while the country guns are trying to destroy it at all costs. Please stand by for the termination of the darkness. And may God bless the United States of America.
was requested by the North Yankton government. A civil danger warning was issued because we were trying to view the message from the president. But regrettably the president of North Yankton has been corrupted, causing us to view the national anthem. Prepare ourselves for the anthem of the Canadian government and God save us. This will be the last emergency alert system message ever that we could.
Good morning, Kate Miller here, the creature that looks like expunged but in black and white. White blank eyes. And a happy smile. It has affected one more territory called Liberty City. It will begin at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There is no way how to stop the darkness from spreading and growing stronger. It has to be.
Join us. There is no beginning. There is a beginning of the end. Go outside and accept your fate. If not, we will find you no matter what you do, and will corrupt you.
The message was requested by the San Andreas government. The same creature that looks like expunged has breached into one of our programming. If there is another hijacking, all programming will have to be suspended pending into many panics. Train services cancelled. Tram services cancelled. Transit bus services cancelled. Pending into fear. There has to be anything to stop the darkness. And wait, there is one more message from the president. Well, since he got corrupted, I can read what the paper says. If I get corrupted, the world will be at stake. That's the message from the
There are consequences to those who don't go outside and joining the government. Memory loss. Corrupted. Gone. And joining us. Whatever you do, accept your fate. This is your last warning. If you don't obey the last warning, you will be one of us immediately. Well, you have been warned to those who didn't accept and joining us.
All programming has been suspended due to the threat, called the darkness, in San Andreas.
Alright now, TCF Princeton, got you. Haha, Mitchell, Mark, Paul, Red Nail, and the Newsy. We need to find the evidence, because of the one thing, that the darkness, summoned is a storm of raining black goo with glitch particles, and heading to Liberty City. Anyone that gets struck by the black lightning with the glitch particles will be corrupted by the darkness and spread into Hove Beach, Firefly Central, and more. The Liberty City Police Department is evacuating the citizens to shelters.
Rest of Tuesday, severe thunderstorm with severe flood 45 miles per hour wind. Tuesday's night, partly cloudy with 2 miles per hour wind. Wednesday, cloudy with 1 mile per hour wind. Wednesday's night, solar eclipse with 0 mile per hour wind. Thursday, sunny with 0 mile per hour wind.
This is an activation of a new emergency alert system.
This message was requested by the National Weather Services. A severe thunderstorm with flood has been issued effective until further notice. All citizens in Liberty City, get in your houses immediately and do not go outside for any reason. The storm is currently having black goo rain with glitch particles. Anyone outside could get infected. And there is a black lightning with glitch particles. Anyone struck by that could get corrupted. And a new creature that looks like expunged but in black and white, with blank eyes, and a happy smile. All normal programming has been interrupted due to the darkness. Stay tuned for more information. This message was requested by the Liberty City government. Prepare ourselves for the fate. To those who didn't get in shelter, got corrupted by the darkness. We are currently now playing the national anthem. Please stand by. 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 Please stand by.
Bright stars through the barrel,
continents are down. 2 more to go. This is a punishment to the people if they don't join us. This is your very last warning. If you don't join us now, I will get San Vice down.
This message was requested by the San Vice government. All citizens in San Vice, get in your shelters immediately and gather up with your family. To those who didn't get in shelter in time have been corrupted. We must prepare for the national anthem.
One more remaining. San Andreas is the last one to go down. This is your one more warning. If you don't accept your fate, there will be consequences.
All clear. I repeat, all clear. The darkness and the creature that looked like expunged has been murdered by the hero named David Norman and Piggy, and all the corrupted people has returned back to normal, which is as in NGAUTTP Bandu. Bun bun. And more. Normal programming may now resume.